Hello, we are Team 1 and today we're going to talk to you about social media and branding.
Hello, I'm going to talk about the background of our project that is brand identity. First, to understand the importance of the social media and the brand identity, we need to know that these two have a relationship. The social media converts easier the work of sharing the information. In contrast, the brand identity is the way your brand is stand by, and things such as the logo, the mission, the vision make your brand how it's going to develop in the market. The combination of both of them gives us the result for the way that people sees you as the brand. The segmentation of your consumers is essential for the good development of the product or the service you are promoting. The brand identity helps us to stand out from our competition and creates an emotional connection between the brand and the customer.
Hi, my name is Guillermo and I'm going to talk about the aspects and the general information about social media. Well, social media in marketing is the use of the social media platforms, as we know, to connect with our audience or our target, to build our brand and to build the identity of our brand in the social platforms. Well, this is for increase your sales and to drive the website traffic. This involves publishing great content to get more people to your brand and to get a good position in the internet and to attract the people. Well, these are some of the major platforms that are nowadays. That it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat. Well, I'm going to talk about the 5 pillars of the social marketing. The first one is a strategy. You need to have a strategy to get more people and to have a good marketing plan. Well, the planning and the publishing. You need to make a planning to know what days you are going to publish something or to do an offer or anything. Then to listen and engagement. This is everything in marketing, to know the opinion of your target and to get more opinion and get better.
Well, the objectives for this work are to be able to provide the necessary tools for the public to know the usefulness of social networks for a brand, where it can promote the values, because a strong brand identity will make the company relatable to customers. This is a top priority for running a page account to get organic growth and engagement. The other objective, the more detailed objective, is to create successful advertising campaigns, like involving tools that we will give you, like segmentation or the type of logos.
Now I'm going to talk to you about the advantages of the social marketing. Well, we can say is improved brand loyalty. One of the biggest advantages is important to regularly engage with customers and begin developing a bond with them. This means that the customers are going to be more loyal to you, because nowadays we know that the social media is everything in the business and in the marketing. Other is more about traffic. Without marketing, your business social media is going to nowadays is not going to have many people attract, so you need to have a social marketing plan so you can improve this. Then you can increase brand awareness. Social media is one of the most effective digital methods, as we know, and nowadays is one of the most important.
And to give an example of a good case where people have used social media to their advantage and get a better brand awareness, we're going to talk about Pepperami and Taque Sabroso, which has a lot of followers in Facebook and have created a community for themselves.
So about Pepperami. Pepperami is a pork sausage snack made by Swan in Mexico. This company advertises itself on 2 social networks, Facebook and Instagram. So on Instagram they publish the same as on Facebook, but with a lower number of likes, visits and followers. as under Facebook. It has caused a lot of noise in Latin America because they take advantage of the memes and jokes that are trending topic. Were about a video game, series, movies, a comic, etc. They transform that as to memes and giving the pepperami touch.
As for Taque Sabroso, they are a taco shop in Veracruz and they advertise mainly on Facebook, like Pepperami. Taque Sabroso has managed to create a community for themselves that love the store and love its owner, which they call Tio Taque. They often upload funny memes and videos with the owner at the store, following recent memes and using trends to their advantage, which has led to a community that actually really loves the brand.
The logo is a graphic design that represents the brand image and visual identity of a brand, for example, McDonald's or Burger King or Starbucks, etc. etc. And the ISO logo is a visual element to represent brands, companies, which is characterized by indivisibly intertwining the logo and a graphic symbol, for example.
Imago type. The imago type is a combination of the logo and the archetype. That is to say, the combination of graphic elements with text, but being able to show these elements separately with any program. Some examples are Adidas, Pumas, and Under Armour. The isolog is the union of graphic symbols and a text, but unlike the imago type, cannot be used separately. Some examples are Nissan, Burger King, and Intel. Basically, the isolog is a combination of text and the logo in one, and the imago type is the logo and then the text.
Well, hello, I'm Santiago and I'm going to explain you how we are going to do our workshop. Let's start.
Well, hello to everyone, and well, we are going to start working here in our web page. We are going to direct into our site, and well, we will start with our selection that is social media and branding. Well, we're going to select our over here our button that we can saw over here is going to open a new page. You can almost do in your smartphone, and well, in here in this page we're going to start putting our name or the name of the brand. We can start making a logo, and well, I'm going to put here the studio information where we are, that is community manager, and we're here there are several selections. We are going to wait to charge. You can watch over here the selection that we can choose, and well, we choose here the some phrase you can write a quote, and well, you can write anything you want. I will put UPAEP Police. Well, you can select over here the way you can choose. You can edit your logo wherever you want. I will choose it in abstract, and I will choose the colors I want. I don't know, here and over here. You can put oak, and you want to create it. Now just wait to the page create you the logo, and you can over here and watch the logo. You can select. I will choose I don't know, this one, and well, over here you will want to select this image or anyone you want, but I recommend you to choose this one and download, and you wait to the page load the image, and when you over here you have the image and you can select it. You can wait the different types of types that is the logo, the isolog and the log, and other types that you like my partnership will pin to you. And well, over here you will to the Padlet to the site, and you are going to upload here your logo. You work over here, you put to charge to choose the media, and you select your logo, and you wait a little bit, and you only post it. And all of us won't see it. You'll logo. And that's it. Thank you to all.
And well, finally, with this activity, we can learn that the creation of our logo or personal logo for our name or things like that are important for learn of how the logos work and how the types affect into the creation of the logo. And well, that's it. Our teams, or my teammates, are grateful for our attention, and we congratulate you for the creation of the logo. Thank you. Goodbye.